Welcome back. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video for more HTML lessons.
Today, we'll learn how to create tables in HTML.
Tables are used to organize data into rows and columns.
Now, let's add borders to the table.
We can also adjust the size of table cells. Table headers are created using the th tag.
Headers appear bold and help describe the table data. Tables make information neat and easy to understand.
In the next lessons, we'll start learning HTML lists.
We'll cover unordered lists, ordered lists, and other list types.